Hey guys, welcome to RG3 Tech Talk. Today we will be learning how to install and set up ReactJS environment. Just click on Google Chrome browser and search for React. Now click on react.net dev link. So from here, just click on Learn React and navigate to Installation and click on Start New Project. To start a new project, as React has mentioned, we just need to install Node.js. So click on Node.js link. So this is the stable version. Just click on stable version to download it. So once it gets downloaded, just click on Node.js to install it. So click next and accept the agreement and choose your path. Click on next for custom setup and click next again and next, and just wait for some time because it is going to take some time. Copying new files. So once it is done, click on finish. So once it gets installed, you just need to check whether it has been installed or not. Just click on CMD. Here you just need to check whether node has been installed or not. So node space -v. Yes. So node has been successfully installed version 20.110.0. So this is what. Now we will go to next step. So, okay, now we will move to step number 2, which we need to install editing software. Here I will be preferring to install VS Code. So click on VS Code and download VS Code version. This is the stable version which we need to install, and once it gets downloaded, just click on install, accept agreement, click on next and choose the path where you want to install. Click on next, next, next and install. So it takes some time. Now VS Code has been successfully installed. Click on finish so that it will open. Now go to extensions and install two extensions which is very useful. One is simple React snippets. So click on it and click on install. And one more is prettier. I have been already installed prettier, so that it is showing like this. Once you have installed prettier, just go to extension again and click on prettier settings icon and choose extension settings. Here search for save. So the first option which you will be finding is control auto save of editors that have unused changes. So here we will be setting as on window change. So what it does is whenever you save it, it will automatically gets formatted. Now we are ready to create our first app. Now I am going to create a new project in the folder called React My First Project. So here click on new terminal to create a new project and copy npx space react create react app my app. So this is going to be, my app is going to be app name. So just paste it and click on enter and wait for some time. It's going to take some time to install its dependency files and modules and everything. So as you can see in the left side, it's already getting downloaded and getting installed. Okay, now my first project has been successfully installed. So once it get installed, just go to end, give a command npm start. Sorry, we just need to go to inside a folder called cd space my app and run the command npm start. So it takes a little bit time to get and install it. Yes, this is my first project. I have been successfully created. So if you want to make any changes, just go to src and app. So here I will be changing RG3 Tech Talk. Yes, here you can see the changes. That's it.